Hi guys, I'm Mrs. J, and we are going to open a wasp's nest. So these guys have been waiting all year to see what's inside this wasp nest that I cut from a big tree in my backyard. So come on in, take a look.
Not y'all. Yeah, right.
Okay, ready? We're gonna cut it open and see what's inside. Whoa, it's really tough. Come on in here. What do you guys think we're gonna see?
Like a lot of honey. A lot of honey.
It's really tough. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Now there's a bee, there's a wasp. Now they were all gone. I did not hurt any bees while I took this down. This was taken down in the winter after all the bees had left. So there are a couple dead bees, but not too many. So they must have left their hive. So that looks like their little house here. Oh, there we go. There we go.
There's the honey.
They're not honeybees. These are wasps. I think that's where they live.
Honeycomb.
That's just where they lived.
Why am I supposed to be talking?
So look at the layers. Pretty cool.
Whoa.
There's not too many bees in here. Only about 1, 2, 3, 4. So look at these ones. Look at you see the wasp or the stinger?
Oh yeah.
Want to get a close up of that? Here's another one. Cool.
Can I touch it? I touched the dead bee before.
All right. So I hope you guys like looking at the inside of a wasp nest. Remember, no wasp was hurt in the making of this video. I will see you guys soon.